Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today's story is about a young baker, a mysterious recipe book, and a journey of self-discovery and success. So grab a cup of tea and let's begin. Once upon a time, in a picturesque village surrounded by hills and streams, there was a bakery that once brought joy to everyone. It was run by Ella, a young woman who inherited it from her late parents, legendary bakers known for their magical cakes. Ella, however, struggled to live up to their reputation. Despite her hard work, her cakes lacked the special touch her parents' creations had. As the weeks passed, the once busy bakery grew quiet. Villagers whispered, her parents would be disappointed. This broke Ella's heart, but she kept trying. One quiet evening, exhausted and discouraged, Ella sat in the bakery and muttered, "Why can't I get it right?" Her eyes landed on a locked cabinet her father often used. Out of curiosity, she opened it and discovered a dusty, leather-bound notebook titled "The Secret Recipes of the Heart." Her heart raced. Could this be the key to her struggles? She flipped through the pages only to find strange instructions. A pinch of sunshine, a spoonful of patience, stir with laughter. What does this even mean? Ella groaned. Determined to understand, she sought help from Mr. Finch, the village elder. Mr. Finch chuckled when he saw the notebook. These are no ordinary recipes, Ella. They are recipes for life. Baking isn't just about ingredients. It's about intention, emotion, and love. Ella returned to the bakery, inspired but unsure. The next morning, she decided to test the first recipe. She interpreted a pinch of sunshine as adding lemon zest, a spoonful of patience, as kneading the dough carefully, and stir with laughter as involving her little cousin in the process. The result? A cake that was far from perfect, but carried a refreshing flavor. The villagers noticed the change, and soon a few began returning to the bakery. Encouraged by their smiles, Ella realized she was onto something. One day, news arrived of a grand baking competition in the nearby city, with a golden trophy and a chance to be featured in the Royal Gazette. Ella decided to enter, hoping to prove herself. But so did Mr. Gregor, the rival baker who had always looked down on her. "You? Compete with me? Don't embarrass yourself," he sneered. Undeterred, Ella packed her ingredients and the notebook and set off for the competition. The first challenge was to bake bread using only 5 ingredients. While others rushed to knead and bake, Ella took her time, recalling her parents' lessons. Knead with care, bake with trust, and let it rise with faith. Her bread was soft, fragrant, and full of flavor, earning her a spot in the final round. The last challenge was daunting. Create a dessert that represented your story. Ella felt intimidated as others crafted elaborate cakes with towering decorations. But instead of competing in grandeur, she decided to focus on meaning. Ella created a simple layered cake, with each layer telling her story. The first layer, sweetened with honey, symbolized her parents' legacy. The second, spiced with cinnamon, reflected her struggles. The final, topped with a delicate lemon glaze, represented her newfound hope and joy. To finish, she placed a sugar heart on top, inspired by her parents' notebook. When the judges tasted her cake, they paused. "This dessert is more than food. It's a journey, a story," one remarked. Mr. Gregor's elaborate cake, though visually impressive, was dismissed as lacking soul. The head judge announced, "The winner is Ella." Tears filled her eyes as she realized she hadn't just won a trophy. She had found herself and honored her parents' legacy. Ella returned to the village a hero. Her bakery flourished once more, not because of fancy techniques, but because every creation carried a piece of her heart. The lesson? True success isn't just about skill. It's about love, sincerity, and connection. When you pour your heart into what you do, even failures become part of a beautiful journey. If you learned something valuable from this story, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more inspiring tales. See you next time.